Hey fellas, welcome. You have seen this
Oh,
color
yeah.
wheel transition blowing up on the feed. I just dropped my own version and today we are recreating it. Grab the overlay from the channel so you don't have to build it from scratch. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel and watch the videos. This helps me to provide the project files for free. So without crashing After Effects, let's get started. I was going to make a car edit but a person just messaged me for this edit, so why not? First import all of the video clips you will use. Then drag the downloaded clip to make a composition. Set the height to 1200p and width to 900p. Set the blending mode to lighten. Now import your first video and audio file. Double press L on your keyboard to open waveform. And select the marker by pressing this button. After setting all the markers, we will enable shy layers. Hide the audio layers as we don't need it anymore in the timeline. And drag first clip to the first marker. And go to second marker. Press Ctrl Shift D to split and press delete. Then add your second clip to the second marker and do the same for all. Also mute all of the audio of your clips. Now select all clips, press S on your keyboard and scale it fit the composition. Now duplicate all layers except the first one. And then you're gonna do is pre-compose all the lower layers. And then select the first overlay, go to time and do a freeze frame. Do the same for all the overlays. Then move all the overlay little to the left side. And trim to match the lower compositions. Now double click on the first overlay and remove the background by using Roto Brush tool. Actually pen tool will be more reliable for this. We don't need the exact cutout, we just have to cut the rough cutting. Do the same for all of the overlays. Now press Ctrl and select all the overlays. Then press S to open scale. And then hold Shift and press P to open position and scale both. Go to the last frame of the first overlay and click on both stopwatch to add keyframes. Then go to the first frame and drag the overlay to the bottom. Now select all keyframes, press F9 to easy ease and open graph editor and copy my graph. Do the same for all of your clips. Then you're gonna do is to add some shake. You will simply take an adjustment layer, put it above the first layer and trim it from both sides. Then we will go to the first frame and add a marker. This will help a lot. Then search for twitch shake. Apply it in the adjustment layer. And click on the stopwatch of amount and speed to add the keyframes. Set the values 100 for the amount and 45 for the speed. Press U to reveal keyframes, then go few frames forward and backward and set the values to 0. Now select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease and open graph editor and copy my graph. Then go to Enable and enable Blur and Slide. Go to Operator Controls and then go to Slide. Set the slide spread to 0.1 and direction to 90 degree. Now the shake look good. Now duplicate the adjustment layer and trim it from the left side to the first marker. Place it above the second clip. Do the same for all of your clips. Now we will add color glow. Just take the solid, take the dropper and choose the color from the color wheel. And hit OK. Press the solid above the adjustment layer. Trim it from both sides as I do. Set the blending mode to overlay. Press T to open opacity. Click on the stopwatch in the first frame and then go few frames forward and set the opacity to 0. Select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease and copy my graph. Duplicate the solid layer in the project panel. Then right click, replace footage, solid, and choose the second color. Now drag the solid to the second clip and do the same you have previously done in the first clip. You can also copy and paste opacity keyframe from the first clip. Now we can also add some zoom. Search for blurmo curves and add it to the first layer. At first frame, click on Z dist and add a keyframe. Then go to the last frame and set the value to 0.8. Easy is the keyframe and copy my graph. Now copy blurmo curves and paste it on all of your layers. Now if your system can allow, you can also add some speed graphs. To add speed graph, type twixtor pro in effects and preset and add it to the first layer. Set the input FPS to 30, image preparation to contrast as edge enhance, frame interpolation motion weighted blend, and warping to inverse W smart blend. At first frame, click on the stopwatch. Then go to one frame forward and set the value to 150. Then go to the last frame and decrease the value to 30. Now select all keyframes, press F9 and copy my graph. Now copy and paste it on all of your layers. Now we are all set. You can also follow me on Instagram and send reels for more tutorials. Also, if you are new, subscribe to the channel and do some support. This helps me a lot to distribute project files for free. Thanks.
Element of surprise!